Good morning, students. This is Reshu, your English teacher. Students, as we have completed our chapter 14, that is a poem composed by Walter de la Mare. Okay, and yesterday we have completed its reading portion. Okay, so today we are going to start its book work. Okay, so our first work is my dictionary, means word meaning. So first word is wee. Wee means little, means very tiny. Okay, then not. Not means nothing. Okay, then string means light movement. Okay, means movement. Still, quiet. Screech, owl. A species of owl, means a kind of owl. Cricket, a tiny insect. Okay, cricket means a tiny insect. Make sentences with the words given below. So here we have some words and you have to make the sentences from these words. Okay, so our first word is wee. Wee means little, very tiny. So you have to make the sentence. There was a wee bird on the tree. There was a wee bird on the tree. Okay. The second word is cricket. It is not a game. Okay, it is an insect. The cricket lives in the grass. The cricket lives in the grass. Now still. So the water of the lake was still. The water of the lake was still. Okay. Now this is the time of question answers. So here we have your first question is write 2 words to describe the night. Means in this poem, how was the night? So you have to write 2 words to describe the night. Still and dark are 2 words to describe the night. Means in this poem, the night was still and dark. Now, second question is write 2 sounds heard by the poet. The busy beetle tapping and the screech owl's call. Means nature's sound. So what was the heard by the poet at night? So our first sound is the busy beetle tapping. Means beetle, it is also an insect and with a hard covering. Beetle tapping and the screech owl's call. Okay. What is the beetle doing? Again, what is the beetle doing? It was tapping in the wall. Okay. Who do you think came knocking? Means what about what about you? What do you think about the sound which was heard by the poet? Who was there? Or yes. So I think it was, in my views, I think it was wind making a noise. If there was no one, so it was wind. Okay, because there was a movement. Okay, then screech owl's call. Okay, then beetle tapping. So hope so it was the wind. Yes. Now the true false. Write T if statements it's true and F if it is false. So I have told you before that you have to write F for the false statement and T for the true statement. Okay. So our first statement is it was raining. So it is right? No. There was no rain at all. It was a dark night. Yes, it is true. The dewdrops were falling. Yes, it is true. The birds were singing. No, there were no birds. Now, more about adjective. Sometimes we use more than one adjective at a time. Example given. Someone came knocking at my wee small door. Okay? Adjective. Adjective. In the second line of the poem, my, wee and small are the three adjectives which are used for the noun door. Means these are the adjective and it is used for the noun door. Okay? So, my shows belonging. Other adjectives that show belongings are his, her, their, are or its. Write a line from the poem where there are two adjectives to describe a noun. At my wee small door. Okay? At my wee small door. Now fill in the blanks with the adjective from the box. So as you can see here, there is a list of adjectives and here we have some adjectives. So you have to put the right adjective in the right blank. Okay. So let's start. A dash beer. So a black beer. I have already written here the right adjectives. So we just read it. A wicked snake. A sweet pudding. A big building. A long path. A clever scientist. A sandy beach. A thick forest. A bright light. A busy man. So students, there is your homework. You have to color the picture of owl, okay, at your home. Okay. Hope you all have enjoyed the poem, okay, or the exercise today. So now it is time for the bye. So bye, take care, thank you. Or read this poem at your home and learn these exercises. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.